We have a very big group.
Elgeyo Marakwet Governor Wesley Ruticha says the narrative of one man, one shilling, one vote is not practical. The governor, whose county is among those that received the last allocations, want the debate refocused on the general good of the country and not specific regions. He claims the debate is unhealthy for the nation.
The rate at which people are polarizing the country, especially using the formula. I am a governor of those counties which receive the least from the national treasury. And I can tell you, running a county with less than $1 billion development is the most difficult thing that a governor can do. Kwa hivyo nikisikia watu wakisema one man, one shilling, one vote, you are actually cannibalizing Kenya. And let me shock those ones who are saying, mimi ni mwana uchumi and I'm a statistician. I have done the summaries last night and I have shared today. Hata ule anashika microphone anasema one man, one shilling, one vote. Anapoteza almost 500 million shillings. Kwa hiyo one man, one shilling. In one man, one shilling, one vote, Mount Kenya counties, 5 of them are going to lose almost 500 million each. Tharaka Nithi will lose. Nyeri will lose. Kirinyaga will lose. Laikipia and Nyandarua will lose. Just like Elgeyo Marakwet will lose on one man, one vote, one shilling. Kwa hivyo naambia mtu kabla hujashika microphone, consult mimi economist na mtu ya hesabu, nikwambie kabla hujajikata mguu kuja nikueleze pole pole.
Now let's stick with that.